In this problem, pinapahanap sa atin yung order and degree na ating differential equation. So, ano ba yung order? Ito yung highest derivative appearing in the equation. So, dito sa equation natin, meron tayong third derivative, second derivative, first derivative. So, yung highest derivative natin ay third derivative. So, therefore, yung order na ating differential equation ay 3. So, meron tayong third order differential equation. So, ano naman yung degree? Ito naman yung highest power or exponent ng ating highest derivative. So, yung highest derivative natin ay third derivative. So, yung exponent or power nito ay 4. So, therefore, yung degree ng ating differential equation ay 4. So, ang tamang sagot dito ay letter C. So, next problem, pinapahanap ulit yung order and degree ng ating differential equation. So, sa equation natin, meron tayong fourth derivative, third derivative, first derivative, first derivative. So, ang highest derivative natin ay fourth derivative. So, therefore, yung order natin ay 4. So, ano naman yung degree? Ito yung highest power or exponent ng highest derivative. So, ang highest power or exponent ng ating highest derivative ay 7. So, ang degree ba natin ay 7? So, mali. Bakit? Kasi meron tayo dito sa equation natin na sign of the first derivative. So, kapag merong trigonometric functions of derivative, automatic yung degree natin ay undefined. So, therefore, ang tamang sagot sa problem na to ay letter D. So, next problem, pinapahanap ulit yung order and degree na ating differential equation. Ano ulit yung order? Highest derivative appearing in the equation. So, dito sa equation natin, meron tayong first derivative, second derivative, fifth derivative. So, paano ko nasabi na ito yung fifth derivative? Kasi yung 5 merong parenthesis. So, yung parenthesis dyan ay ginagamit para ma-distinguish na yung 5 ay hindi exponent ng y, kundi ang ibig sabihin ng 5 ay meron tayong fifth derivative of y. So, dahil sa equation natin, ang highest derivative ay fifth derivative. So, therefore, yung order nito ay 5. So, ano naman yung degree? Exponent or power nitong fifth derivative na to. So, matik, meron tong 1 kahit walang nakasulat. So, therefore, yung degree natin ay 1. So, ang tamang sagot ay letter C. So, next problem, hinahanap ulit yung order and degree na ating differential equation. So, yung highest derivative appearing in the equation ay second derivative. So, therefore, yung order nito ay 2. Next, ano naman yung degree natin? So, yung degree natin ay undefined. Although, ang highest power or exponent ng second derivative natin ay 3, so, hindi pwedeng degree nito ay 3. Bakit? Kasi sa equation natin, meron tayong exponential function of first derivative. So, kapag kasi may exponential functions of derivative, trigonometric functions of derivative, and logarithmic functions of derivative, automatic na yung degree natin ay undefined. So, therefore, ang tamang sagot dito ay letter D.